Hi guys, this is Rich with Wild Wonderful Weekends, and I'm out on this perfect summer day in my hometown of Charleston, West Virginia, to celebrate the first Sternwheel Regatta that we've had here since 2008. And after a 14-year wait, you can tell by the size of the crowd that the people are glad it's back. The regatta attracts all types of riverboaters, from kayakers and jet skiers, all the way up to sternwheelers. This year, the party runs from Thursday to Monday, July 4th, and takes place right on the river, with Haddad Waterfront Park being at the center of the event. I decided to test the waters Thursday evening and paddled from the kayak launch at the Civic Center to Haddad Park. This is a great spot to just enjoy being on the water, listening to live music. Or you can beach the kayak or tie off the boat and explore. Canal Boulevard, which runs along the river, is blocked from the 100 block to the 800 block, and the main areas included a car show, carnival rides, vendors and food trucks, which are always my favorite, and of course the stage. I always like to check out the car show before making my way through the crowd to get something to eat and to see who's on stage. The event planners this year anticipated a large turnout, and they were right. So rather than have the performers on the stage at the waterfront, they set up the main stage on Canal Boulevard. They also put a large screen on the stage at Haddad and televised the main stage for the folks who didn't want to be in the crowd. Main performers this year included our own Eugene Landau Murphy, 80s cover band Hair Supply, country singer Martina McBride, and the headliner, 80s rocker Rick Springfield.
In America, and the TV told us to win with no thought of losing. And I woke up. This is the real world, real time without pity. And this is the real world, the shadow of the city. And this is the real wheel, get too many spins.
Good weather, good music, good food equaled good vibes. And it was pretty nice watching the sunset on the river while enjoying an awesome burger, listening to Springfield belt out some of his 80s classics. Once the sun went down, the rides lit up. So I decided to go get a couple slow shutter exposures of them before watching the fireworks. While I shot the still pictures, my daughter hopped on the zero gravity ride to get some GoPro video. At about 10 o'clock, the fireworks started, putting the cherry on top of one of the best regattas we've had. If you missed this one, you should make it a point to come out next year. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.